This video is about our journey from Bali to Ijen Volcano, which is in East Java. Our journey took 4 hours to reach the ferry, and then Banuangi. We stayed that night, and 2:30 a.m. we started climbing to see the majestic Ijen Volcano and the blue fire, the acidic lake, and the life around it. Enjoy. The hike to the top usually takes 2 hours, but if you don't want to walk, there are people who can take you in a cart all the way up so that you can see this beautiful sulfur-spitting volcano. As soon as you reach the summit, you can see people carrying sulfur from the bottom. Most of the people around this volcano, this is their lifeline. I couldn't capture the blue fire because of the toxic smoke that is coming out of the volcano. It was too much to handle it, even though you had the mask. Going closer to the fire and capturing that video was absolutely impossible for me with the tools that I had. A lot of people survive and live their daily life carrying these sulfur from the bottom all the way, I'm sure 500 meters or more, carrying around 90 kilos or more to the top to survive and live their daily life. It was really sad to see, but that's how their daily routine is. I hardly could even carry the weight, but taking a step, forget it. I couldn't even take a single step. What I really loved was the acidic lake. It was absolutely a beautiful sight, and I enjoyed everything apart from the toxic smoke that is coming out. Thank you. After a beautiful sunrise, we start descending. A well-spent morning. Sulfur-spitting blue fire volcano. Indonesia never stops surprising. What a beautiful day. Till we come back with a new one, a new adventure, a new journey, maybe a new volcano. See you guys soon.